Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this video is actually pretty funny because I was in a rush on my way to work and I just really wanted to put my lashes on. I got this whole freaking messed up wig on, so I couldn't have a wig without lashes and some gloss. So I actually got on the bus because I take the bus in the subway at work, and I put on my lashes. So I wanted to make this video for you guys so you could laugh with me, because when I watched it I was like crying laughing because I look crazy. And I just want to remind y'all that I'm on an actual bus in New York City, so everyone's looking at me and I look crazy, but I had to be a bad bitch. There was no turning back after this point. So watch my struggle to get these lashes on a New York City bus.
I'm still the man I could be. Apple falling off the family tree. Life's a bitch that just Pamela Lee, and she just fucked me to sleep. And I don't ever wanna compete with niggas who just put me right on my feet. We like Adam and Eve. It's all love like that tat on my sleeve. And if it is, give me that to believe. Yo, what happened to me? You ain't rapping, you just capping to me. I'm Cola Kaepernick, right before and after the knee. I ain't feeling like myself, so I'll be back in a week. Took them books right off the shelf and then I happened to read. And now we book behind the cell because we trapping some weed.
And also guys, these lashes are the style Blessed from my birthday collection on JJuheard Cosmetics. I think I only have one box left, I'm not even sure, but they won't be restocked, so I guess it's like a limited edition.
You say we flex, yeah. I feel like Ron Test. I'm just pacing like the paces. I can cope with all these threats. I can cope with all these bitches who be shitting on they ex. When they ex is the reason that they situation blessed. I confess that I did you wrong. I understand you at the step. Now I'm writing songs so I can vent to miss you less. Yeah. But I ain't working, yeah. And we just humans that confused that we ain't perfect. I'm still so searching. You still so worth it. You wanna climb around and make this shit a whole circus, yeah. I know my purpose, yeah. I know an angel in the skies that's on this earth, yeah. I hope you fucking with a God that know your worth, yeah. We gave this shit another try and now I'm hurt, yeah. They said love is only blind when it don't work. I wanna break that curse. I went from stealing $20 out my mama purse. I never been baptized, so I don't go to church. I see my brother flatline, I seen him in the hearse. What makes that feeling worse? I seen his mother break down, coming to that realization that he okay now.
So at this point, the bus driver is stopping abruptly, like my wig almost flew off, I don't know. So I'm trying to get the lashes stay on my eye. I don't have any tools at this point, it's literally only my nails and the glue, and as you can see, it's not working. I'm literally trying to focus so hard. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm like trying to stare at the camera because I don't even have a mirror. I just have my phone camera and the glue. And I'm like trying to wipe the glue off my eyeball, and it just looks crazy. This is why I don't use black glue anymore, because if it was black glue, it would have been a dub. But since it's clear, dries clear, it's kind of easy to rub off. But I think I have foundation on today, I'm not sure. That day I think I had foundation, but it was just rubbing off. It's crazy. And at this point, like, all the old ladies was looking at me, all the people sitting up on the bus was looking at me, and I just didn't give a fuck. I just was like, we're halfway there, we got these lashes on, and we gonna do it. I'm still the man I could be. Apple falling off the family tree. Life's a bitch that just Pamela Lee, and she just fucked me to sleep. And I don't ever wanna compete with niggas who just put me right on my feet. We like Adam and Eve. It's all love like that tat on my sleeve. And if it is, give me that to believe. Yo, what happened to me? You ain't rapping, you just capping to me. I'm Cola Kaepernick, right before and after the knee. I ain't feeling like myself, so I'll be back in a week.
Took them books right off the shelf and then I happened to read. And now we book behind the cell because we trapping some weed. Yeah, life ain't fair, my mind ain't there. Give us 25 to life and spend our whole time there. Should've been stockholders, no time shares, you waste a breath. Was told you should only be scared when you facing death. I feel like I'm almost there, so place your bets. It's sad when them veterans don't wanna say you next. Till I bomb on them, drop bombs on them, you say we flex, yeah. I feel like Ron Test. I'm just pacing like the paces. I can cope with all these threats. I can cope with all these bitches who be shitting on they ex. When they ex is the reason that they situation blessed. I confess that I did you wrong. I understand you at the step. Now I'm writing songs so I can vent to miss you less. Yeah. But I ain't working, yeah. And we just humans that confused that we ain't perfect. I'm still so searching. You still so worth it. You wanna climb around and make this shit a whole circus, yeah. I know my purpose, yeah. I know an angel in the skies that's on this earth, yeah. I hope you fucking with a God that know your worth, yeah. We gave this shit another try and now I'm hurt, yeah. They said love is only blind when it don't work. I wanna break that curse.
So I finally got these lashes on after God knows how long, and I knew I had to moisturize my lips. So I went and got my JJuheard Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Summer, and this gloss is so hydrating. You guys are gonna see that my lips are gonna look mad plump and luscious. Go ahead and shop that at JJuheardCosmetics.com. You heard?
Yeah, we steady argument, huh? I wear my heart right on my sleeve, another cardigan, huh? And you won't take this shit from me, this ain't no bargaining, huh? I had to do this shit for me, we in the car again, huh? See, I be lying about my whereabouts, cause I don't want nobody to feel sorry for me. I swear this game is getting old, it's like Atari for me. So go retarded for me. And when I die, throw a party for me. My afterlife should be an after party. Get in and go, no break in the road. Missing you, but I ain't missing no shows. Here's some shit you should know.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much my final look. I'm getting ready on a New York City bus. How do you guys think I did? Rate it in the comments. Obviously this is for fun. This is not meant to be like a full-on tutorial, but I thought it was pretty cool how I put on my lashes with my long nails on a bus that was going like 40 miles an hour. So let me guys know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.